everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. So let's see what is coming up for you in the month of December. I have already pulled out the cards, and now before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards the Libra people for the month of December. I have pulled out oracle cards, but no charms will be added in this reading. So yeah, these are tarot cards and these are the oracle cards. As we proceed with the reading, we are going to check these messages out as well. So let's start with the tarot first and let's find out what is coming up for you in the month of December. Libra, let's find out. The Hermit, Four of Cups, the Empress. Be mindful that since it's a general reading, the energies could be reversed for some of you as well. So just be mindful of that. It seems like, you're starting with the month thinking about a connection that you have with a specific someone. It seems like, they are pretty much on your mind, but at the same time, you are trying to find some hope in this connection. You are trying to stay positive around this connection that you have with a specific someone. Even though there might be like, the circumstances that you are having with this one person right now could not be as satisfying or as promising right now, but you are trying to find out, maybe there are certain things that you might have been ignoring. You are trying to find out, or to look at the connection right now from a different perspective, and trying to figure out, maybe it can work, maybe it can still work out. Whoever this person is, I feel like you are not on talking terms much with this person right now, but yes, you're trying to think about it, if there is a possibility of taking this connection for the long term or not. I feel like, whoever this person is that you are dealing with right now, they have the upper hand in this connection between the two of you. It seems like, they offered you the cup of love in the past, you rejected that cup, and I feel like, now you are giving it a thought. You are trying to see, like I said, you are trying to see the possibilities and potential outcome with them. If you accept their offer, how would it be? Is it going to add some happiness in your life, or is it going to be a stressful connection to deal with? Even though with the even though you feel with this person's energy, it seems like, you do feel like, they could be a good mother to your kids. They could be a nurse, they could nourish the connection. But at the same time, there are certain differences that you have with this one specific someone that you are thinking about. So I feel like, there are some sort of doubts that you are trying to clear with thinking around this connection as you start off the month. But yes, you do feel that, like, there is something which is the inner calling is pretty much like, asking you to go for it. Try your luck with this person. Give this connection a chance, because I feel for majority of you, the person that you are dealing with, they are manifesting this connection with you. Whatever it is that has happened in this connection in the past, I feel like, your person is, like I said, they are the dominant one in this connection. So I feel like, they are manifesting you back in their life. That's what I'm picking up. Maybe you have fought in the recent past. Maybe you have detached already. Maybe you are on talking terms but don't talk much these days. But it seems like, they are trying to manifest a reconciliation with you, and that's the reason why you are considering, seeing the you know potential in this connection, which you never saw before, which you never thought of before. Um, the energies could be reversed, by the way. Let's take some clarifiers now for all these cards here: the Hermit, Four of Cups, and the Empress. Hold on, let me pick that card up. Yeah, so let's see what the Hermit is all about. You have great passion for this person. You do feel like, this person is somebody, you do have a pull for this person. You do have. And maybe that's like, maybe you have been in a physical connection with this person as well. So maybe you are considering like, they were good for that, but are they going to be a good, person to get married to give commitment to? So that could be your consideration right now. You are trying to see, like I said in the very beginning, you are trying to see this connection, this person from a different perspective now. Let's see what this Four of Cups is all about. The past that you had with this person or the past that this person had with other people could be the reason why you are taking so long to decide about this person. And that's the reason why you are not ready to take this offer there and then. It seems like, you are taking your time to see how it goes. You might be testing this person with their patience, um, for their patience around this, you accepting their offer or you ignoring their offer. um, it's like, maybe you have given them chance in the past. Maybe they have given you the chance in the past, if their energies are reversed. But it seems like, you really, you really want to have a long-term relationship, but there are certain there are certain fears around, accepting the offer that you have around this person. These fears could be coming because of your past experience, like I said, with the same person, or maybe, if there was a toxic connection between the two of you in the past, maybe that's the reason why you are fearful. What if they show the that side of them again in this connection? What's going to be the next thing? What's going to be the next step then? Because right now they have changed or you have changed towards them. So you are definitely seeing the positive side of them, but you cannot take that past out of your mind that you had with this person. So that could be the reason why you are kind of, still indecisive, or, you're holding yourself back from accepting the offer. um let's see more cards here. But you are definitely going to have a new beginning with this person. You are going to finally accept this offer and go for it with a firm belief, and you are going to be ready to take on to the new chance with this one person. You are going to give it a chance again with this one person, whoever it is that you are dealing with, because this person is your happiness. Actually, you are happy with this person, they are happy with you. But yes, the issues that you had in the past cannot be neglected here, but still, it is going to be a successful reunion between you and this person for sure. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Magic. Make a wish, believe in miracles, and magic surrounds you. I feel like, your person is manifesting this connection, and that's the reason why you are going to have the leap of faith and just go for this connection, a reconciliation with them. Balance. Take time to relax, indulge a little more or less, set boundaries with your work. Balance is going to be the key for you in your life overall. Try to maintain a healthy balance between work life, love life, and everything. It's like, try to have a break for yourself as well at, time to time. Let's see more cards here. Religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. For some of you, maybe you have fear that your family or, your social status, um, or your religious differences could be the thing which is going to be like, the block for the two of you to be together. So maybe that could be the reason why you are holding yourself back right now from, accepting this offer coming from your person. But again, eventually I do see you accepting it, so it's not gonna, be the block any longer. If that was the block in the connection, you deserve love, you are lovable, you know that you are lovable and you deserve love, and so does your person. So I feel like, you are definitely going to let love win. Relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. I feel like, you have been in on and off relationship with your person. Number 32, maybe you are age 32, or somebody who is in late 20s to mid 30s or late 30s as well. So It seems like you are fearful because of the relationship patterns that you have been having with this person. That could be the reason as well, like for you not accepting the offer there and then, but again you are successfully having a reconciliation with them. The union of hearts, a love connection defies explanation. Number 28. You both are soulmates, you both are destined to be together, and I feel like you might have taken a long time to come back together, but you are going to be together forever. No matter what happens between the two of you, you will always come back together. Green, revitalize your nervous system. Number 31. I feel like for majority of you, you would be 30 plus or something is what I'm picking up. Green color is going to be lucky for you. Spending time in the nature is going to be happy. Is going to bring you happiness, plus keep your nervous system active as well and healthy as well. Pearl, connect to the divine. Number 25. Wearing these two colors in clothing is also going to be very helpful. It's gonna keep you fresh and healthy, and try to connect yourself with the god that you believe in, plus nature. So it's going to be beneficial for you as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of good for the people who oh god, I've been doing pick cards a lot lately, so I'm like I'm just saying the same line. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of good for you for the month of December. And yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, Libra people, take care. Bye bye.